Lately, I've been seeing a crypto called Stbl everywhere. Although, I've said something about this project, but today, we will be looking at why it is surging very high and trending at the same time. Before we process, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. Stbl's price is up in the past 24 hours. This is a significant jump, so let's see why it's pumping. Looking at the news articles and social media posts, there are a few key points. The first is the listing on WEX exchange for the Stbl/USDT pair starting September 16th. The article mentions pre-market trading risks, but the actual listing date was a few days ago. However, the timing might still align with the price surge if there was pent-up demand or delayed market reaction. Next, there's a lot of discussion about Stbl's unique 3-token model. The protocol separates the stablecoin from the yield-bearing NFT and the governance token. This innovation is highlighted in multiple sources, including tweets and articles. The involvement of Reeve Collins, a Tether co-founder, adds credibility, which could boost investor confidence. Another factor is the broader narrative around real-world assets. The Boston Consulting Group's projection of a $16 trillion RWA market by 2030 is cited in the WEX listing announcement. Stbl's association with this growing sector likely attracts investors looking to capitalize on RWA trends. Social media sentiment is positive, with mentions of a price surge to an all-time high of $0.185. However, there's also caution about volatility and the need for real-world adoption. I should also check the technical analysis, but the provided TA data shows zeros, which might mean insufficient data or the tool didn't retrieve it. Putting it all together, the main drivers are the exchange listing, innovative token model with credible backing, RWA narrative, and social media-driven retail interest. This is all you have to know about the surge of Stbl. Now let's dive deep into the full details of this project. Stbl Crypto is a decentralized, non-custodial stablecoin platform that mixes yield, transparency, and real-world asset, RWA backing. It lets users mint stablecoins like USST and YLD without staking tokens or locking up capital. The backing assets are regulated, yield-bearing instruments such as treasury bills and fixed-income securities. USST will be available through the Stbl minting app and on select centralized and decentralized exchanges beginning in late 2025. The system keeps the stablecoins pegged to the US dollar while also letting holders earn passive yield. Smart contracts handle everything minting, reserves, and yield generation in a fully transparent way. Users just connect their wallets, mint stablecoins, and the yield flows automatically with no extra effort. Stbl launched under 3 cents with a $16 million market cap, then ripped over 200% to pass $50 million. Its fully diluted market cap already tops $1 billion since only 5% of supply is circulating. The project has serious backing, too. Reeve Collins brings a huge network, and Wave Digital Assets, a $300 million VC fund, is supporting it as well. Stbl went live straight onto major exchanges like MEXC, Kraken, and Binance Alpha, pulling in $250 million volume within hours. Running on BNB chain, the coin's narrative is strong with RWA exposure and a Tether co-founder behind it. Hype pushed it to a $100 million ADH before retracing to $50 million. Stbl isn't the only newcomer catching fire. Bitcoin Hyper is quickly shaping up as the next big presale play, and this one could be even bigger. There is an insufficient price history for Stbl, so price predictions should be taken with caution. The Stbl price hit its all-time high of 22 cents on September 16th and has traded inside an ascending parallel channel since. Stbl reached a new all-time high of 24 cents today, but failed to break out from the channel's resistance trend line. Therefore, it is unclear if the upward movement is corrective or not.